Hello guys, magandang araw. Magluluto tayo ngayon guys. Simple na naman na ulam guys. Simple. Yan guys. Soy sauce, pansit lang at saka bawang at sibuyas at saka seasoning at saka oil guys. To oil. Yan guys. Nagpakulo na tayo ng mantika dito guys. Isasalin na natin to guys. So, sasalin na natin guys. Budget tayo ngayon guys. Wala tayong pera guys. Malayo pang sweldo guys. Yan, paggatong ko guys, oh. The magic carton and papel. Yan. Mekos lang guys hanggang ma-brown siya guys. Na natin ang ano guys, pansit. Yan. Mekos lang to guys. Natin ang tubig guys. Konti lang guys para manuot ang ano, ang kanyang lasa. Natin ang soy sauce guys. Yan. At ang seasoning. Secret seasoning ko guys. Kahit to lang sao guys, masarap to guys. Promise. Yan, mekos guys. Mekos lang guys. Mekos lang yan guys. Pa natin guys sa aking maliit na takip. Yan guys, maliit na takip guys. Yan guys, kulo na siya guys. Kulo pa more. Ngit na sa galit guys. Parang bulkan guys. This is how I cook every day. This is how I cook every day. It's all about survival guys. I will teach you how to survive in the middle of the forest. Yan guys. I-open na natin guys. Mekos na yan guys. Mekos na yan. Ang sarap. Ulam na to guys. Kahit walang kanin guys. Carbohydrates to guys. Yan. Mekos lang yan guys. Luto na to guys. Isasalin na natin guys. Yan. Isasalin na natin yan. Sarap niyan guys. Kuha pa tayo. Sabaw ng pansit na masarap na walang sahog. It's about survival guys. Yan. Survival mode. Sarap guys. Kahit walang kanin guys, dinner nyo na to. Pwedeng dinner to guys. At yan ang vlog ko ngayong araw guys. For dinner ko to ron guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Like and share. Watch and comment down below. You can hit the bell button. Yan guys. Ang sinabawang pansit na walang sahog. The survival mood. Yan guys. Tikman natin guys. Sarap guys. Babush guys, babush. Mekos.